Here I have CAT S53, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see CAT logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option Enter Fastboot. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So here in this mode, just like in the previous one, you can just navigate using volume keys and select using power key. And you have such options as Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, Reboot to Bootloader, Power Off, and that's it. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, Reboot System Now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.